Make sure the bottles and the fuel tank are filled. Check the hot water hose for damage. Attach the hot water hose to the ECOFIPS. Attach the high-pressure gun or the brush lance, available separately, to the hot water hose. Connect the electric cord. Please note, if extension cords are needed, they must be splash-proof. Connect your garden hose with a Gardena or Hose-O-Lock hose coupling to the ECOFIPS. And make sure the water is running. Turn the water temperature knob clockwise all the way to the cold setting. Now you can turn on the water pump. You can also use hot water for high-pressure cleaning by turning on the boiler. Important notice: pull the trigger on the lance first, because otherwise the boiler will not turn on. Even if you are cleaning with hot water, it's important to leave the temperature knob set to cold. If you want to use ECOFIPS cleanser, turn on the pump for operating liquids and adjust the dosage by turning the appropriate knob to the left. To shut off the ECOFIPS, turn off the pump for the operating liquid and the boiler first, if you have been using them. Leave the water running a bit so your ECOFIPS can cool down to a temperature below 40 degrees Celsius. Then you can turn off the water pump. One more important thing. After 45 minutes of uninterrupted use, you should let the ECOFIPS cool down for an hour. Please also follow the safety tips and additional information provided in your operating manual.